Talk about how they reproduce.
Yeah. Yes. We'll talk.
Seminal Vesicles, cotellum. The cotellum is the band, but it also is where you'll secrete the egg cocoon. And if there's two of them, they'll overlap. Different earthworms. If a second earthworm comes up, they'll fertilize each other's eggs.
Wait, so if they have sex with each other, they both pregnant?
Yeah. Well, they don't get
That's
pregnant.
amazing.
They lay eggs. So
All right.
they have eggs that they secrete in the cocoon.
So they could just.
They're not gonna like curl up around themselves and do it.
Yeah, they're not going to get all
They're gonna have
cozy.
to have someone opposite.
Okay.
So a couple things I want to point out. So remember, we're talking about all these different systems. So circulatory system, it doesn't have one heart, it has multiple hearts.
I know, it's crazy.
These are all
I
pumping hearts.
cut one. So that's why we cut it. It's still alive because no.
No, this was not alive.
Sense. I mean, no, we will cut
Mouth, all the green here is a digestive system. So mouth, pharynx.
Wait, for the heart section,
Yeah.
is it only a particular section that it's in every segment, or is it through
No,
the
it's
entire
just
body?
up front.
Okay.
Just up front.
Okay.
So you're only going to get blood vessels through the rest of the segments. So these are the pumping hearts or pumping vessels. Digestion. Mouth, pharynx, crop, gizzard, and then intestine throughout the rest of the animal.
What's a crop?
Crop is a storage area, so it's not a stomach that it fills up because it doesn't do any digestion, but it stores it. And then the gizzard is more muscular, and it can kind of grind things up that it's ingested before it goes down into the intestine.
All right.
One thing I wanted to show you guys is this yellow is the nerve cord. So it's got a ventral nerve cord.
Can we see it?
So I think ventral nerve cord is on your, yes.
Can we
That-
actually see the nerve core in the real
Probably not.
not right? But it's just here, but we cannot really see it in the light.
Right.
That's what I'm guessing.
But it's different because when we get to the chordates, like vertebrates, they have a dorsal nerve.
A backbone,
Yeah. Well, no, it goes through the backbone.
Yeah.
Spinal cord.
spinal cord.
So it runs underneath them?
Yeah.
Okay.
The nerve cord runs underneath it.
The
So what do we have? Muscular wall, cotellum. The prostomium it's not a nose per se, but it's above the mouth. It's a sensitive area up where it bumps into things.
Touch it, they go.
Yeah, and they go, and they retract. Yeah. So that's called the prostomium right above the mouth. Seminal vesicles we talked about, but I forgot to put it on your list.
so we don't have to study that?
No, we don't have to stay.
Oh, man. 'Cause
Not on the list.
He's trying to add it into
I'm trying to put it on the nephridia, excretory system. So again, for getting rid of cellular waste products, see the blue here? Those are called nephridia. They're in every segment, and it will secrete material that's been extracted from the blood system.
It's straight out? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
out to their body
Yeah.
or to the anus.
No, out of the body.
body.
Yeah. And these little spiky things here are the setae. They're little, just structural prongs, if you will, but they're very small, but it gives them a little bit of gripping power as they move along.
Alright.
What are they made out of?
Setae?
Yeah.
Some kind of protein.
You know.
I would suspect, yeah, it's some sort of proteinaceous material. Anyway, that's this. So we got that.